Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can download and install the VLC media player, or in full name, the Video LAN Client Media Player on your Windows. The VLC media player is a software or an application that can play most media files on most platforms. Now, if we're going to install it, then let's go quick into the process. So we need to open a web browser. So let's open the Edge browser. Now here in the search bar, you need to type VLC Media Player, download, hit enter. And you'll find from the first option, which is from the videolan.org, www.videolan.org. Click on that. And here you'll find this option, download VLC. You can also click on this drop down arrow and choose for the specification, like go with Windows 64-bit, ARM64 for your Mac OS, Linux, Android. So you have the specifications from here. Now click on download VLC. And the setup file will be downloaded, or the installation file. So you just need to wait for the installation or the setup file to be downloaded. So let's just wait in a while. This will not take that long. Now once done, click on it once and then you have to close the Edge browser. And here you have to select your language. So I'm just going to choose by default, which is the English language. But in your case, you can simply change this into the language that you prefer and you can understand more. And you have to click on OK. Now click on next. Click on next. Click on next. And you can also browse for the destination folder if you want to change the destination folder, but I'm just going to leave it as it is. So click on install. Now, the setup or the installation has been successful. Click on finish. And this will bring up and open the VLC media player for you. Now you will find here privacy and network access policy. You just need to simply click on continue. Now maximize this. And here you can now enjoy the features of the VLC media player, wherein you can play videos, you can play audios, you can also convert the file type from here. So that's it. That's how you can easily download and install VLC media player into your Windows for free. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. We really need your help. Thank you for watching this video.